Hi, my name is Gerard and I'm with 404 Computer and Cell Phone Repair. I'm here today to discuss the universal car and tablet holders that we have here in our store. And the reason for it is because on July 1st they have enacted a new law here in Georgia. You will be ticketed if you use your phone while driving. I know many other states already have that in effect. So for all you Georgians here, we're trying to reduce fatalities while driving and make sure that you're not ticketed while driving. Repeat offenders will be punished more severely when this does occur. Here we have today is a pre-assembled 360-degree hands-free unit that can be used for mostly every cell phone on the market. Again, it's pre-assembled, and all it does is clip into your air conditioning vent, and you can put your cell phone in it, and you're driving hands-free. So here's a unit that is pretty useful that you can use, and it's the wind wing unit that I'm referring to. Another device or option that we have that will house your devices is the HLDL6 for 2.3-inch to 4.9-inch devices. It can definitely hold your iPad while you're driving if that's necessary. And it's 360 degrees, full rotation. It comes in 3 parts. I'll go ahead and unbox it and show you how this works here. There aren't any instructions, but it's pretty much self-explanatory, but I'm going to show you so you don't have to fumble around with it very much. It's a pretty neat unit. With a button right here that you can size up the unit with for iPad minis and any other handheld cell phones. Now, what you want to do first is go ahead and clip the smaller unit. There's a circle portion right here that slides right into the back of here. Okay, and this is the portion that actually clips into your AC. It has, again, it's 360 degrees. There you have it. Now, you have this particular portion right here, which is going to go right into the back of the unit that's going to hold your cell phone. Just put it in and slide it down, and it clips in. And again, this would do this right here. It swivels, so you can use it however you want and not have to touch your particular cell phone while driving. Okay, thank you for listening, and hopefully you won't be one of those distracted drivers out there getting a ticket anytime soon. Have a great day.